Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mgonda Starter here, a Kenyan YouTuber doing videos about business and youth empowerment. If it's your first time here, welcome to this family and kindly hit the subscription button below because you're going to learn a lot about business. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for your continued support and may you be blessed abundantly. So today I am vlogging this at 11 p.m. because what is sleep, but I'm going to try not to shout because people are sleeping. And I want to talk about some of the online jobs that you can start, especially during this time when you're staying indoors most of the time. And first of all, I'm going to tell you some of the things that you need to start working online. One, you need good internet. You need a smartphone or a computer, depending on the work that you're going to choose. You also need time because you may be needed to perform some tasks remotely, and also you may be needed to perform some tasks late at night, like maybe 2 in the morning or maybe early in the morning or maybe at a random time during the day. So you really need to have time. Another thing that you need in order to work online is a set of skills. The first online job that I could advise you to start is reviewing products, and you can review these products in videos and then upload the videos on YouTube, making videos about product reviews. You can purchase products and services and review how the purchasing process was, how the customer service was, and how the product is, if it's of good quality. I keep saying nowadays people are more brand aware. They really need to buy a product that they are sure is of high quality and worth their money. So if you could start reviewing products on behalf of people, then that would be a good job. A job that you could start online is web designing. If you're good at package designing or maybe making business cards, anything to do with web designing, then you could start working online, because brands nowadays work on their brand. They need the packaging to be branded, they need their business cards to be branded with the names and stuff. So if you're good at web designing, you could start working online. Nowadays, most companies and businesses prefer to promote their products and services online as much as they are marketing them offline, if I may say. And the problem is, or maybe the opportunity is, most of them are not well versed with the social media sites and how to go about them when it comes to marketing, when it comes to approaching clients, when it comes to posting. And on the other hand, you may be good with posting, you're good with posting, you know when to post on these social media sites, you know where to post this, you know how to talk with those online potential clients, you know the hashtags to use to reach the potential clients. So you could approach brands that are looking for social media managers. You could even create an opportunity, go identify brands that do not have strong social media presence, and offer to be the social media managers. You could also apply for those social media jobs and work for brands. Another way that you could work online is by becoming a customer service representative. The good thing with this job is that you can work remotely. You can work for a global company at the comfort of your home. For one, there's a challenge with this because you may find that a global company is looking for a customer service representative simply because they want to ensure that their customer service line has a 24-hour support system. And with this, like I said, you have to have time to work, because there may be a customer who on his or her end it's maybe 5 p.m. during the day, and on your end it's maybe 10 p.m. during the night, and you're supposed to talk to this customer within the first few hours. And guys, another online job that you could start is an online advertising agency, and you could approach brands and do marketing on their behalf on social media sites. Another online job that you could start is an online store, and you could sell anything in that online store. It could be clothes, it could be food, it could be fruits, or you could combine them. Another online job that you could start is tutoring, and you could start tutoring anything that you could be that you're good at. It could be English, it could be maths, it could be a local language, your local language. And the good thing with this is that everybody is learning a new language, and you could make your tutoring lessons interesting by teaching people your culture, the cultural activities in your culture, academic or article writing. And I think I talked about this in another previous video. And with this, all you need is you have to have good grammar, good internet, and a computer. And you could start by writing articles, or maybe academic writing on something that you're well versed with, a course that you're good at, or maybe a subject that you're good at, and make money from that. Another job that you can do online is working as a website tester. Most companies rely on website testers when it comes to launching websites. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Hope you have learned something. Kindly hit the subscription button below if you haven't, to support me. And it's 12 and I'm going to edit this video and upload it by tomorrow morning at 10. Kindly continue supporting this daughter of a woman. I know I have been slacking a lot in uploading videos, but I am really trying. I don't know if it's this quarantine, but I am really trying. I am going to really try to upload more videos, guys. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching till the end. Be blessed. Bye.